Hello, friends. Hope all of you are doing great. This is Mamta Nagrat. I have come up with a new video on a master's degree program on International Management and Psychology (MSc) from Rheinwald University of Applied Sciences, Camp Lintfort. A little brief about the university, followed by the requirements and the details about the course. So let us begin the video. Rheinwald University of Applied Sciences, with two campus locations in Clave and Camp Lintfort and over 7,300 students, is an innovative interdisciplinary and international university of applied sciences. The university currently offers 36 undergraduate and postgraduate degree programs in engineering and natural and social sciences, technology, design, and more. Their programs are geared towards your employability, addressing current and future needs of industry by giving you valuable expertise and experience in your field of study. Rheinwald University of Applied Sciences is unique in that some 75% of programs are taught exclusively in English, resulting in a vibrant campus culture and a rich intercultural exchange of ideas, experience, and knowledge. Percentage of international students is 50%. Percentage of study programs in English is 75%. The degree is Master of Science in International Management and Psychology. Course location is Camp Lintfort. Teaching language English. Languages courses are held entirely in English. Program duration is 3 semesters, beginning winter and summer semester. Beginning of studies winter semester end of September, summer semester March. Application deadline. All applicants 15th July for the following winter semester. All applicants 15th January for the following summer semester. Description / content. Why choose International Management and Psychology? As a response to new challenges, there is a high demand for interdisciplinary trained specialists who are able to combine their management skills with expert knowledge in psychology to effectively motivate and lead an business in a business context. Career prospects. As a recent developments have shown, there is a high demand for graduates with expertise in business psychology. Master's degree will strengthen your employability in all areas in which human experience and behavior have got an impact on economical processes and vice versa. You can expect to work in the fields of psychological assessment, organizational consulting, human performance management, occupational health and safety psychology, corporate social responsibility, leadership training, and team building processes, diversity and conflict management, change management, and organizational development of international businesses, quality and error management, international human resource management, and market and consumer research, as well as in the development of advertising and marketing strategies. Tuition fees per semester in euro is none. Semester contribution. Enrollment fees amount to approximately 310 euro per semester. This covers nominal administrative fees and a public transport ticket valid for the entire federal state of North Rhine-Westphalia. Cost of living. The average cost of living for students in Germany is around 850 euro per month. This includes rent, utilities, personal expenses, and general expenses. I will give you the URL of the expenses where you can check how much is the expenditure when you live in Germany. Funding opportunities within the universities are available. Description of the above mentioned funding opportunities within the university. The university offers a limited number of merit-based scholarships called Deutsch Land Stipendium to both current students and students who are soon to be enrolled with excellent marks. This scholarship consists of a monthly stipend of €300 and applies to international students as well. Further information is available on the website. Link I will give in the description box. Academic admission requirements. Admission to master's degree program is subject to an application process. The formal entry requirements for the International Management and Psychology MSc program include the following: proof of a completed undergraduate degree, BSc, BA, German diploma or equivalent, closely related to psychology, business economics, or economic sciences with a focus on social or behavioral science. An overall mark of at least 2.0 German grading system in your undergraduate degree. A minimum of 210 credit points or ideally 7 semesters of full-time study. Applicants who have got a less than 210 credit points when starting their master's degree program have to achieve the missing credit points by passing suitable examinations in modules of other degree programs. 15 credit points gained in the field of empirical research methods and statistics. A sufficient level of English language proficiency. Language requirements. Please note that for this degree program, English language skills at a level of B2 according to the Common European Framework of Reference are required. Please be aware that all applicants' test report form numbers will be checked. We will accept the following certificates or equivalents: IELTS level CEFR B2 or better, TOEFL level CEFR B2 or better. Application deadline. All applicants 15th July for the following winter semester. All applicants 15th January for the following summer semester. Submit application to. Applications must be submitted online through UniAssist. Please do not submit any applications in hard copy. See our website for details. This detail I will give in the description box. Possibility of finding part-time employment is possible. Non-EU students can work up to 120 full days or 240 half days per year without requiring an additional visa. Student jobs within the university can be solely in English, but the vast majority of off-campus jobs will require at least basic proficiency in German. German courses are available for students through our international center. First year students are strongly advised to focus primarily on their studies and to begin learning German. This will open up many part-time job opportunities in later semesters. Accommodation. Rheinwald University of Applied Sciences strongly urges to arrange your accommodation before arrival. One option is accommodation at residence halls run by Student Services, Studienwerks Düsseldorf, with 1, 2 or 3 room flats and rent starting around €260 per month, with a security deposit equivalent to 3 months rent. Availability is limited, so register online as soon as possible. See our website for details. Most students live in private flats shared with other students. There are a number of popular online portals for finding a flat in Germany. Contact the Welcome Center for more information or look into social media platforms because some students might be graduating when you plan to start. Additionally, the Welcome Center is always ready to offer advice or help with conversations or correspondence in German. Career advisory services available, internships, student jobs, or first step in a new career. Rheinwald's Career Service is here to help you with a broad range of useful services. Correspondingly, we act as bridge builders between students and fresh graduates. The university and companies or organizations from industry, science, social sectors, etc. Our overall goal is to help our others help themselves by supporting capacity development in students and fresh graduates with respect to their individual career paths. So guys, this was all about this particular course on International Management and Psychology MSc from Rheinwald University of Applied Sciences. I will give you all the relevant details of this subject course which are relevant to this particular course, like the AD website link. I will give you how you have to apply for the admission, the Uni Assist link, the how you have to apply for the scholarships, and whatever are the required URL links I will be giving in the description box. I hope this video is useful to you, and International Management and Psychology program, as I detailed out in this video, is a very career oriented program, and it is a free educational program with a course taught in English. Only thing is, you have to be careful when you apply for this course that you are meeting out all the requirements as are given in the requirements column, and prepare yourself before the deadlines, your documentations and everything, so that you are not short of time when you apply for this course. In case you have any queries, you can always come back in the comment box or on the email which I will be providing in the description box. Thank you so much for giving your valuable time, and best of luck.